trabaho ng DTI, magbantay, trabaho na magbantay ng presyo ng BA. Kami po ba ang gagawa ng trabaho nyo? O gagawin nyo at gagawin nyo yung trabaho nyo? Because this is your job. May reklamo po yung ating businesses. Imagine, 300,000 employees nanganganib na mawawalan ng trabaho because of this online. Hindi ko naman sinasabing bawal, pero kailangan you have to level the playing field. Hindi ho hindi ho parehas eh. Sila may inspeksyon, itong kabila, wala mga ICC. Matagal na po pala nilalapit sa inyo, hindi kayo kumikilos. Ilang porsyento yung locally sourced na produkto natin that are now in these platforms?
Mr. Chair, unfortunately, I don't have that number, but we can submit it to the committee in our report as well.
Yeah, siguro one thing that we can do as an offshoot of this discussion, we make the local suppliers of the local manufacturers a bigger part of what you sell in your platform. Para we can encourage development and will not be only the dumping ground of countries like of China and other countries.
Majority Leader Erwin Tulfo.
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry I was late because I was attending to other matters. I was informed by my chief legal na kanina pa ho yata ginigisa itong mga ito. Ayaw ho yata sumunod, ayaw bigay yung mga names sa mga tinake down ho nila. Am I correct, Mr. Chair? Is that what they're saying?
Well, on the part of Shopee, they promised that they will provide us with a list of merchants that were subjected to their takedown within the day, Honorable Tulfo. On the part of Lazada, they promised to give us the feedback, not the list, on how they will approach this takedown as discussed by their legal department. But they have not given us any commitment with respect to the list of the merchants that they wish to take down.
Therefore, Mr. Chair, may I direct my question now to Lazada. Can you give me the reason why you cannot give any commitment when or how you will take this down, you will start doing this as instructed by Congress, Mr. Chair?
Hi, Mr. Chair. To reiterate, what Lazada will commit is we'll submit our list of takedowns as well as the report by this Friday, Mr. Chair.
John, I think the transcript will provide, that will be provided, that will be provided by this committee will attest to the fact that you did not commit to provide us with a list. In fact, what you said was, tinitingnan pa ng opisina ninyo kung anong approach, with respect to our request to provide us with a listing. You did not give us any commitment that you will be giving us or providing us with a list.
I'll make that commitment, Mr. Chair. We'll send this by Friday.
So nagbago ng commitment mo?
I'm chasing the people right now, so we're making that.
Bibigay ka na ng listahan ngayon?
On Friday, Mr. Chair.
Alright. Ng mga merchants and items na i-take down nyo pa lang. Kasi kanina sabi ni Shopee, meron na silang listahan na tinake down. Ang sa inyo, ang ibibigay nyo sa Friday, listahan ng mga items and merchants na ililist down nyo pa lang. I-take down nyo pa lang.
By Friday, dapat na take down.
At dapat na take down na. So you should provide the committee with that list.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, if I may, also I would like to direct my question to the representative of the DTI, Department of Trade and Industry. Where's DTI here? Kayo po sa DTI. Sir, nakita ho natin matagal na itong problema na ito. Kung hindi pa po lumapit ito manufacturers po sa ating office sa Congress, baka lumapit na ho sila, lumusot lang ho, papasok dito sa tenga ho ninyo, lalabas sa kabila. Yung mga reklamo po na mga sumbong. This has been going on for a while now and we haven't acted their problems. Ang tanong ko po ba, kami po ba ang gagawa ng trabaho nyo o gagawin nyo at gagawin nyo yung trabaho nyo? Because this is your job. may reklamo po yung ating businesses. Imagine, 300,000 employees nanganganib na mawawala ng trabaho because of this online. Hindi ko naman sinasabing bawal, pero kailangan you have to level the playing field. Hindi hindi parehas eh. Sila may inspeksyon, itong kabila, wala mga ICC. Matagal na po pala nilalapit sa inyo, hindi kayo kumikilos. Kung hindi pa ho tayo maghihiring dito, kung hindi pa po lumapit dito, hindi trabaho ng Kongreso, investigasyon, kami ho kikilos, trabaho ng DTI, magbantay, trabaho na magbantay ng presyo ng BA. Hindi mo nagagawa. What is the problem here? Can you just explain to us? So, because kagabi nagbabasa-basa ho ako, parang matagal na ho pala ito yung lapit sa inyo, but then you're not acting on it. What is the real reason, sir? Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, just last year, more than just being reactive, we've been very proactive in terms of online monitoring and issuing show cause orders, which results in takedowns. Last year, there was only 1,840 takedown orders requested for the online platforms.